Hello everyone, introduce myself, my name is Fitriani. Now I'm going to talk about Curriculum 2004 NCLT in 1984. CBC was introduced in 2004 by the Nation Department of Education in Indonesia to replace the 1994 curriculum. CLT is a language education approach that emphasizes meaningful communication, fluency, and contextual learning through authentic context. KTSP or Curriculum 2006 and Meaning-Based Communicate 1994. KTSP is a curriculum that is designed and implemented at educational institution or school in Indonesian. Meaning-based communicate is a curriculum model used in Indonesian curriculum development. Curriculum 2013 and CBC Character Building. The Curriculum 2013 was formulated by the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture under the leadership of the Education Ministry Muhammad Nuh. CBC is an education approach that focuses on what students are expected to learn and accomplish. Curriculum 2022 and CBC Character Building and Communicative. And Merdeka Curriculum is a curriculum that differs intracurricular learning, where the content will be more optimal so that students have enough time to explore concepts and strengthen competencies. CBC is an educational approach that emphasizes the development of student skills, abilities. Well, now I will explain my answers to the three questions that I have chosen. The first, the question is to compare the two curricula that have been implemented in Indonesia since Independence Day. Two curricula implemented in Indonesia since its independence are the 1947 curriculum and the 2013 curriculum. The 1947 curriculum is more nationalist, emphasizing national values and love for the homeland. On the other hand, the 2013 curriculum is oriented toward developing individual potential and enabling a scientific approach. Similarities include a focus on character education and the development of positive attitude. However, differences involve a more contextual learning approach in the 2013 curriculum and an increased emphasis of student competencies. The 1947 curriculum tends to be more centered on preserving traditional values, while the 2013 curriculum emphasizes student engagement in the learning process and competence-based assessment. This reflects and the evolution of educational approach in Indonesian over time. The second, the question is to compare two English language teaching approaches or methods that have been used in Indonesia and worldwide. Two English teaching approaches or methods that have been used in Indonesia and around the world are Grammar Translation Method or GTM and Communicative Language Teaching or CLT. Grammar Translation Method focuses mainly on mastering grammatical structures and text translation. Communicative language teaching focuses on communication and language use in real context. The similarity between grammar translation method and communicative language teaching is that they recognize an importance of understanding grammar rules as the basic of language learning. While the differences between the two topics is that GTM focuses more on understanding and applying grammar rules, while CLT focuses more on developing communication skills. The user situation of GTM is suitable for understanding classically written text of translating official document, and CLT is more useful in the context of language use in every situation, such as social interaction, travel, or work. The last one, the question is, how are these two methods different and similar from each other in terms of the strategies teachers use in the classroom? In the grammar translation method, teachers focus on understanding grammar rules and sentence structure, and the audiolingual method, teachers emphasize oral practice, repetition, and sentence patterns. The similarity between the two is that they emphasize the importance of practice and repetition as part of language learning. While the difference between the two is the grammar translation and is more oriented toward understanding grammar and sentence structure, and audiolingual is more oriented toward developing oral skills and is trained through dialogue. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you everyone.